In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download files from Google Drive node in n8n. We'll walk through how to place the right node, pick it from the Google Drive options, configure its parameters, and connect it neatly into your workflow so it pulls exactly the file you expect. Start in your workflow editor. At the top right, click the plus icon to add a new node. This opens the node picker. In the search bar, type Google Drive. Then select Google Drive from the list so you're looking at everything this integration can do. Under the Actions group, choose the option called Download File. That's the specific action that fetches a file from your drive so the rest of your workflow can use it. Before you go further, make sure you already have your trigger ready. A trigger is what starts the workflow. Maybe it's a schedule, a webhook, or something else that fits your use case. Having it in place ensures this download happens at the right time and in the right order with your other steps. As soon as you add the download file node, its parameters panel will open. This is where you tell n8n which file to grab and which Google account it should use. First, select your Google Drive credentials from the Credentials dropdown. If you haven't connected your account yet, use the same dropdown to connect it. Once credentials are set, specify the exact file you want to download. Depending on your setup, you can choose the file from a list or reference it by an identifier. Take a moment to confirm you're pointing to the correct file, especially if you work across multiple folders or shared drives. If there are options for handling binary data or naming the output, pick names that make it easy to recognize the file in downstream nodes. Clear names and accurate file selection will save you time later. When you're done configuring parameters, connect the new Google Drive download file node to the rest of your workflow. Typically, it should sit right after your trigger or upstream step that determines which file to fetch. Drag a connection from the prior node into the download file node so data flows in the right order, and then connect it onward to any nodes that will process or store the downloaded file. Good connections and clear node labels make your automation easy to manage and troubleshoot. That's all. You've added the Google Drive download file node, set its parameters, and linked it properly so your workflow can reliably pull the file you need.